Well, hello, friends, family, and stalkers. You know which category you fit in. I wanted to just quickly pop in and let you know that I did start a Patreon, multiple levels. I have 5 levels, but truly the last 3 are just dependent on how much you want to talk to me during the month, during coaching sessions. But it's like 3 social medias blended into one platform. It's like Instagram. So there's photos of things that are all healthy lifestyle, and I add my own personal details describing it, what I think about it, my thoughts having to do with maintaining a healthy lifestyle, but also loads of videos of me exercising, showing different workouts, videos of me in the grocery store, videos of me just talking from the heart, telling you different things about living a healthy lifestyle that will benefit you. And then it's almost like Facebook too, where it's like constantly I'm posting different quotes or memes or thoughts that I have, and things that will help and benefit you as well, depending on what level you choose, of course. But also fun books that I've created that I've actually had for a while that I wanted to share with you guys. But it's in a way that I do have a lot of thoughts, blood, sweat, and tears in it. 3 years, 3 years I've put into a lot of this material, and I have it kind of spread out all over the place. I have it in programs that you have to purchase, I have it like all over the place. But this allows it to be in kind of a social media platform that's fun. I interact with you on the daily. It's exciting, it's new, it's fun, great engagement, incredible information that will benefit you. I do on a daily basis what I put kind of in there is based on my fans that are in there, based on the challenges or struggles that they're dealing with. I kind of cater it to that. But also, depending on the level that you choose, we jump on phone calls together, right? I help you, I coach you, mentor you, whatever it is that you need. I come alongside you and help you establish that healthy lifestyle that you dream of, opening up more doors for you, more opportunity, giving you more confidence, all in one place. So I hope that you will check it out. I'll put the link below. If you have any questions, also post those below and let me know what your thoughts are, what questions you have for me, and I'm excited to get to know you more. All right, see you soon.